Hi girls, it's China.
And I'm Tori.
We are from
Studio Tone It Up. And we're having a Tone It Up happy hour beach picnic party, mixing up our favorite summer drink, the cucumber mint mule. And we brought a plate of fresh veggies and hummus to eat with it.
And it is so easy to prep. Just toss all the ingredients in a cute little mason jar. You can bring it to a beach picnic or your favorite summer concert.
You just need a few ingredients. First and most important, you need your cucumber mint Ketel One Botanical, some sliced cucumbers, mint, ginger juice, and top it off with soda water. Give it a good shake and you're ready to go.
And we brought this cute shaker because it's cute.
Just cute. And speaking of cute, how about these mugs?
I know.
I mean,
these
I'm
are
obsessed.
My favorite. And the best part is that you can double the cucumbers as a vegetable to dip in your hummus.
Oh my gosh, I love
Perfect.
that.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.
We're from Studio Tone It Up.
I don't know why. Oh, that's good hummus.